Welcome. If you want to control who can see your current experience on Roblox after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to show your current Roblox experience only to specific people using the web version on your PC. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon, and from the drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your privacy and account details. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is where you can adjust who can see your activity and other privacy preferences. Next, scroll until you find the Visibility and Private Servers option. Click on it to expand more settings. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Visibility. Click on Visibility to open the options for who can view your current experience on Roblox. You'll now see several choices for who can see your current experience. To show your activity only to specific people, select Friends, Followers, and People I Follow. This setting ensures that only your Roblox friends, your followers, and the people you follow will be able to see what experience you're currently enjoying. Strangers and anyone outside these groups won't have access to your activity. Once you've made your selection, your changes are saved automatically. That's it. You've just customized your Roblox experience visibility with the latest update, giving you more control over your privacy and who can see what you're up to. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with your friends so they can protect their privacy too. Enjoy your time on Roblox.